lucky to have found one vacant table at a crowded restaurant. A cute lady approached me and said, "Can I join you?" Had an instant mental lapse. I said, "Why? Are you coming apart?" Girl runs around looking for a vacant parking spot for my eye appointment when I saw one just got vacated. When I came back, I saw a note from the meter maid. It said, "Parking is such a sweet sorrow." Oh, how I hated the smell of disinfectant. I bought odor eaters. They feasted for 1 hour. Then